Let us discuss an interesting question from the topic volume of a combination of solids. Here question is, a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. See this figure. Length of gulab jamun is 5 cm and diameter is 2.8 cm. Two hemispheres are there, one in each end. So first of all, we will find out volume of this gulab jamun. Then we will calculate 30% of 45 gulab jamuns, which will be volume of sugar syrup. Okay. What is given here? Given diameter is 2.8 centimeter and therefore radius is 2.8 by 2, this is equal to 1.4 centimeter. What will be length of the cylindrical part of this gulab jamun? Length of cylindrical part is equal to total length is 5 centimeter minus radius will be subtracted from each side. So 2 into 1.4 is equal to 5 minus 2.8 and this is equal to 2.2 centimeter. This is radius. So what is the volume of this gulab jamun? What is the formula? Volume of one gulab jamun is equal to volume of cylindrical part plus 2 times of volume of hemisphere. 2 times because there are 2 hemisphere, one in each end. Okay. And the formula for volume of cylindrical part is pi r square h plus this 2 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here we can take pi r square common. Pi r square common. We will get h from here, first term h, and from second term we'll get 4 by 3 into r. 4 by 3 into r. Let us put these values. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is square. R is 1.4, square is here, so 1.4 into 1.4 into h is length of cylindrical. Sorry, this is h, okay? Length, or that is h, height. H, 2.2. So h is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into radius is 1.4. This will be cancelled out. 0.2, 7 2 is 14. And this is equal to 22 into 0.2 into 1.4. This is equal to 0.28 and this is here LCM is 3. 3 into 2.2, that is 6.6 plus 4 into 1.4. 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4 and 1 5. this will do 22 into 0.28 into 12.2 divided by 3. So simplify it, let us multiply it. This is equal to 75.152 divided by 3. So you may write here centimeter cube also, because this is volume of one gulab jamun. Okay, so here we have to calculate 30% of volume of 45 gulab jamuns. This will be our answer. So 30% means 30 by 100, 45 into 75.152 by 3. This 0 will be cancel out, 3 cancel out. So 10 is here. So this is 4.5 into 75.152, and this is equal to 338.184 centimeter cube. But here we have to give the answer in approximate whole number. Find approximately. Okay, so we can ignore this decimal point here. This is very negligible number. So this is equal to 338 centimeter cube, and since this is volume of sugar syrup, so we can write cc also, cubic centimeter. This is the answer. Very interesting question. Hope you have understood it, and share this video with your friends also. Thank you very much.